Hey everyone, really quick tip here today for speeding up your Lightroom workflow, and that is making use of the Apply During Import menu option when importing photos and videos. Go to the Import menu as you normally would. Because I already have some photos in this catalog, I'm going to go up top to File, and then down to Import Photos and Video. I'm going to select my source for photos and video from this drop-down menu on the left here. And I've created a sample folder, so I'm just going to use that. But the Apply During Import option over here on the right is what we're really after. This allows us to apply a preset to all of our images as they're loaded into our Lightroom catalog. So if you're like me and you always end up applying fixes for chromatic aberration, lens profile corrections, and reducing the sharpening to 0 in every photo, this can save you some time. I also do most of my work in Photoshop, so sometimes when I forget to apply lens corrections in Lightroom and then open the file in Photoshop, I often end up realizing my mistake minutes later and I have to close out of the Photoshop file, apply the correct settings in Lightroom, and then re-export to Photoshop. It's just kind of a hassle. With the Apply During Import option, I don't have to worry about this because I know the settings that I want will already be applied. And the preset you choose to apply on import can have any settings attached to it. It doesn't have to be chromatic aberration. It can be color temperature, color profile, really whatever you want. I've created a preset for myself that will set chromatic aberration to be removed, lens corrections to be applied, and sharpening to be 0 for every photo that I'm importing, and I've just included that under my favorites. With this preset selected from the drop-down menu and my sample photo ready to be imported, I'm going to go down here to the bottom right and click Import. And once the import is complete, if I navigate over to the Develop module, you can see that my settings for the photo already include the removal of chromatic aberration, profile corrections are enabled, and sharpening is set to 0. If you want to create your own preset for your preferred settings, go to your catalog, make sure you're under the Develop module up top here, choose any photo and make your desired settings changes. So if you want to change the color temperature, you can do that. And then go over to this plus sign by the presets heading and click Create Preset. Choose the settings you want to be included in the preset, and then you would click Create. Because I've already done this, I'm going to click Cancel. And then I will usually favorite the preset so that I can easily find it when I'm looking to apply it during import. And that's just done by right-clicking on the preset and hitting Add to Favorites. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll do my best to help out. Thanks and take care.